was determined that it was more than that. It was a smoking SUV that was left in the middle, and then police retrieved what was inside, including gas canisters, propane, a gun box, a metal gun case, all sorts of things. A fertilizer that fortunately did not have any ammonium nitrate and it wasn't explosive. But if all of those things had come together and worked, it could have been a very terrible and explosive situation there in Times Square. So that particular incident started just as this one did, and then of course it hasn't really culminated yet, but it ended up being a man who is a Pakistani national boarding a flight to Dubai, trying to get away from investigators, and they just caught up with him just as the plane was about to taxi out. And as it turns out, according to our reporters and our